everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you guys don't know me, my name is Mark. I'm a Canadian aviation YouTube content creator and also aviation photographer. And welcome back to another video of mine. And in today's video, we're going to be doing something very exciting because I got some exciting news. I did not order one, but two new model aircraft from AV World. And then it's really nice because I think the last time I did an unboxing was like back in December. But I finally got two new models, and let me show you right now. I actually initially wanted to plan to make two separate videos on them since there are two planes, but I'm just gonna cut some unnecessary stuff in this video and try to make sure that they all stick in one video, so that way it won't make me that stressful in order to upload the video. So first off, we're going to be unboxing this. Here we have a Daron Turkish Airlines Boeing 777-200ER. Let me just show you the full box. And then here, next, we got this Italia Airbus A330-200. So without further ado, we're going to unbox both of them, and then we're going to start with here the Turkish Airlines aircraft. So let's get into it. Since this aircraft is made by Daron, I'm not gonna really get much into details. You know the basic Daron Planes, you know my history of my YouTube channel, just the basic cringy looking little wheels. So I got this little pencil in my hand ready to give out some details. So here we got the typical Turkish Airlines titles. The flag of Turkey. I don't know what this great thing is, but it is part of Turkish Airlines livery. One thing that did caught my eye, first of all, is that Turkish Airlines actually never operated a Boeing 777-200 variant, although they do operate their flagship aircraft, and that is the 777-300ER. Also, one thing that also caught my eye, I'm not quite sure if this actually exists, because I did look at some photos of real Turkish Airlines aircraft. This is that you can notice that the bottom paint is beige color. And then last but not least, we got the Boeing 777-300ER titles, and then this iconic typical Turkish Airlines logo. So yeah. Now it's time to unbox the next model. Here we got this Italia Airbus A330-200. Here's the side of the box. I actually forgot to show you the Turkish Airlines part, but we're gonna do that a little later. So let's unbox this. Alright, as soon as I opened up this aircraft, I did found out some concerns about this aircraft. And one dirty detail I am going to be showing you right now is that look at the nose wheel. As you can see, it's a little bit loose, and that's not really a good sign. If it does break, then I might have to glue it back on, but it does not show any signs of breaking unless if I just play like too much. I'm sure if I would have been like a little kid playing with these planes, oh my god, that would not be so good. Yeah, so that's one thing I am kind of disappointed about. The other thing about this model is that Alitalia actually never operated Airbus A330-300s in their fleet, but I could tell because of the detail, the way that they configured their windows, I'm just gonna say that this is an A330-200. So it looks like that Daron Worldwide Trading did get the aircraft correct this time. Yeah, I don't really like the nose wheel. It's kind of like bugging me a little bit, but I'm just gonna ignore that fact. And let's get into the detail. Okay, got my sharp pencil out. So here we got the cockpit window. You can see how small it is, but it's really detailed still. You can see the SkyTeam logo. Here are the green Alitalia logo. I really love the logo of this airline, not gonna lie. It's just a white fuselage. Here we have the engines, the L2 door, L3 door, and then there. Here we got the horizontal, tailplane over here. Sorry, this is the horizontal stabilizer. And this beautiful, iconic A logo. As you can see, it makes sense, and it does highly represent the Italian flag. So, let me just check the bottom of this aircraft, see if there's anything here. Oh, looks like I get to put the scan on this aircraft, so this is really, really nice. I am actually planning in April to build like a model airport in Scotland. So this would probably be like something really, really good to fulfill the European services, because I know when it comes up to airports in Europe, oh my goodness, there's the demand for traveling to other countries in Europe would be so high. Alright, putting that at first, I'm in second aircraft next to the first one I unboxed. Here's them together. This is really, really nice, and I kind of said this earlier, but not only this aircraft, but also maybe this aircraft can also fulfill when I build my airport in Scotland. I'm actually planning to do that in April, and spoiler alert, I just want to let you know that in February, if you see my airport showcases, you might know that Maple Bay International Airport is still there. I'm going to actually leave it until, let's say, the end of February, and then in March, I'm going to make an airport in the Caribbean, which I actually going to plan to traditionally do. I actually started that tradition just last year when I actually made an airport in the Caribbean at the time of the COVID-19 outbreak here around the world. And then, yes, in April, this is when I'm really, really gonna try to get my hype up, and then I'm gonna try to build my airport in Scotland. I just want to build an airport in Scotland just to make it a different, especially now I'm starting to collect I collected these two models. I think this is really gonna fit. Besides that, I'm also gonna plan to collect the Daron British Airways Airbus A330-200, so like that way it can fulfill my British airport. So Scotland, in case you don't know, I know there are not a lot of geography people here, but in case you're not a geography person, Scotland is actually part of the United Kingdom. It's just like it's a little bit independent, limited government, kind of like that. But yes. And that wraps up my unboxing video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching another video of mine. I really, really hope that you enjoyed it. I also really appreciated that I really got these two aircraft. Hands up to my father for delivering this. I actually was the one who paid for these, because now I'm starting to pay for these aircraft. But I'm going to also give my hands up to my father for delivering it, because the aviation store has been closed due to the COVID-19 outbreak, and therefore it has to be reserved for curbside pickup only. Curbside pickup is cheaper because you don't have to pay like for shipping. So my dad took action, and then after he got home from work, he bought these two for me. And then look at me, I'm very, very happy, and I'm so glad I got these models finally right on my hands just like 2 days after ordering these. So thank you guys for watching another video of mine. Don't forget to give me that huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like if you like this video, comment what you think, subscribe if you're new to these parts, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.